So here's yet another case of casting couch in Bollywood, and the man in question this time is Rani Mukherjee's brother, Raja Mukherjee. Raja has been accused of molestation by TV executive Priya Mishra. We get you the story.
It's yet another victim that's fallen prey to the casting couch in Bollywood. And this time around, it's ex-television producer and aspiring filmmaker Priya Mishra who's making allegations against Bollywood actress Rani Mukherjee's brother Raja Mukherjee, claiming and alleging sexual molestation. In a bid to cast actress Rani Mukherjee in her movie, aspiring filmmaker Priya Mishra contacted the actress's brother Raja for a script narration, which led to the incident.
He physically kind of acted in an indecent way, and he was forcing me to do certain things which on a rebound I reacted, and I told him, I was very hassled, and I said, what are you doing, what are you doing? And he could overpower me physically because he is more, he's quite well built, I think. While it ended on a molestation, the intent could have been far more, because I felt that there was no apology on the face per se or any. It seemed very matter of fact that if you've come asking me for something, then you need to give something to me in return.
Post the incident last evening, Priya filed a complaint at the Versova police station along with a series of mobile phone texts he allegedly sent her. Raja, who had been taken into police custody, was produced in the Andheri magistrate earlier today, following which he was released on bail.
The charges made were of molestation, that is section 354 of IPC, and kidnapping, that is 363 of IPC. Both these sections are bailable, and that is how the court has granted bail.
In Mumbai, Janvi Murzaria for Times Now.